Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about a new emergency alert system for Port Maria. A flood hazard early warning system for Port Maria. So we're just going to give you an update as to what's going on with this system. Now Port Maria has a problem where it keeps getting flooded out. I guess because of where it's located. Um, but on more than one occasion, they have had serious flooding in Port Maria. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the installation of a flood hazard early warning system for Port Maria. Work will begin on the installation of a flood hazard early warning system for St. Mary's capital, Port Maria. This year, says Minister of Local and Community Development Honorable Desmond Mackenzie. He advised that the project will be implemented at a cost of $17 million. Minister Mackenzie, who was making his contribution to the 2024-25 sectorial debate in the House of Representatives, said the system forms part of a wider effort to protect property and the people of the vulnerable coastal town. Specifically, this will be comprised of a siren tower and can be automatically and manually operated. 2 automatic weather stations and 2 rainfall intensity gauges in the watersheds will be linked to the siren. Additionally, clearly identifiable evacuation routes with appropriate signs will be developed to ensure rapid escape from flood-prone areas, he said. Minister Mackenzie further indicated that the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management will undertake a public education and awareness campaign to train residents and business owners to manually operate the siren, interpret warning messages, and take the necessary actions to reduce the effects of flooding on their homes and establishments through special flood mitigation techniques. He informed that a community disaster risk management group for Port Maria will also be established. I am looking forward to the efficient and effective installation of the system, Minister Mackenzie said. Alright guys, so that is the end of the updates on the flood hazard early warning system for Port Maria. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.